Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the diviner feature, the fortune teller feature on the AI chatbot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the home button down below on the left side corner and tap on view all in the upper right corner of the screen. After that you should scroll down and here you can find the diviner's function in the second row on the left side, so tap on it. And here you can find some preset options or suggestions that you can use. Or they can be examples, so you should type in your question into the search bar at the top of the page, or you can also tap on one of the questions, then tap on send, and here you will be able to find the answer. If you want to regenerate the response, click on the regenerate button on the left side below the answer. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.